Hi guys, my name is Katle Homabusela. I'll be really honest. I thought it's 6 days of time off from the plant. I'll go there, relax. I don't worry about management. I'm a specialist. But I was really engaged. I learned a lot. When I started my career, I actually wanted to be a manager. And then I got a manager as a mentor, told me, no, become a specialist because when companies retrench, they start with managers. Then I went specialist, I stopped caring about management. Now, I think after this course, it brought back that love, you know. Now I'm interested again. I want to pursue that route, and I'd like to thank the Dana cause, Daniela. Thank you for keeping me engaged. I was here for the free food and free 6 days, but I was really engaged and I learned a lot. So thank you to the managers as well. So thank you guys as well.